Hey everybody! Wheel Collectors is back today. We've been cleaning the warehouse for the last couple of weeks, working on our next huge round of giveaways. This case right here is going to start us off. I don't know how many we're going to do in a row, but you know what? We'll probably do 7. My target is for at least 7 case openings. 7 case openings and giveaways. So today right here we have what I think is a value set. Okay, this is one that's not necessarily taken off yet in value like some of the car cultures have, but the cars are really nice, and if you're looking for just a nice value set, I think that we've got this for less than 20 bucks in our eBay store, just for example. Okay, so this right here is several years old now. It's called Retro Entertainment FORZA. See the 10 cars right there. 10 cars in a box right here. 10 cars, 2 of each. Just start showing them to you. The first car is the 2017 Ford GT. Super cool. I think this is cool card backs. I don't know if you guys have ever played Forza, but that's pretty sick. The next car in the case, which is super case, is the Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA, which I actually have this car in the game. But look at the tampos on this thing. To me, this car right here is super underrated. Super nice detail on it. The next car, 2 per case, right there, there's 2 of them, is the 2012 Camaro ZL1 Concept. This one's kind of got like that Spectra Flame silver and red on it. Pretty bad to the bone. The next car, also 2 per case, is the 73 Ford Falcon XB. I like the yellow and black tampos on it. Don't love the wheels on this one, but the rest of it's nice. And then the last car in the set, there, is a Lamborghini Gallardo SUPERLEGGERA. Super cool decals, super cool looking card backs. That completes the set, 5-car set. So, like we did before, someone is going to win the set on the left on the comments and subscribers, and someone's going to win the set on the right from the comments or subscribers. So, there's the top-down view of the case. Thank you again for joining us. We're going to bust open at least 6 more of these in the next week. So be sure to comment, subscribe, like us, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.